5-axis machining central adds a rotation axis on top of a 4-axis. Generally, it rotates 360 degrees on the vertical surface. It is possible to machine any surface of a bot except for the fixed surface. 5-axis are also divided into true 5-axis and false 5-axis in the industry. The difference does not mean whether the 5-axis can be linked, but many false 5-axis can also be linked. The fundamental difference lies in the presence or absence of RTCP, which is rotating around tool center point. Machine tools with RTCP function can be programmed directly using the tooltip without considering the center distance of the rotation axis. When programming, only the coordinates of the part need to be considered, without considering the length of the spindle or the position of the optional installation transform. A 5-axis machining center can achieve all-around machining with one clamping, reduce clamping costs, and improve machining accuracy. It is currently the top equipment in the field of machining, and its price is also the most expensive.